If you've got one of these, then you need one of these. If you've got two of these, then you definitely need one of these. This is Colin from Ozco Reviews. Today we're reviewing the Xiaomi Roborock 2. Today on this video we're going to firstly have a hands-on review of the product. Secondly, we're going to look how it performs on hard surfaces and carpets. And thirdly, we'll look at the app. In the meantime, I've got a friendly volunteer to muck up the carpet for us. To get the most out of the vacuum cleaner, you need the Xiaomi smartphone app and you need Wi-Fi connectivity. There's 3 buttons on it. Firstly, a stop-start button. Secondly, a zoning button to clean 3 or 4 square meters as a standalone. And thirdly, a button to send it back to the charging base. You'll see here it's got a buffer zone just to protect it from any knocks to any furniture legs, etc. Turn this round, we'll see inside here Xiaomi have made it very easy to open the cassette, and the dustbin removed is contained in there. Dustbin installed. There's also a blue light to tell you that the Wi-Fi is connected. Turn it upside down. It weighs about 3.5 kilograms. There's 2 robust wheels to enable to get up and down rugs and mats simply. And also we have the brushes here to pick up any pet fur. Very easy to take these in and out and give it a clean. A lot of people are going to ask, who are Xiaomi? No, it's not a YouTube cat. Xiaomi is in fact the 4th largest producer of mobile phones in the world now, and it produces now a range of other household products which are gaining a good reputation. In terms of prices, we're looking at 500 US, UK is around about 400, Australia 600, and in Europe in around about 500 euros. May not be able to get this everywhere immediately because it is a Chinese release. Now that the carpet has been fully prepared, it starts off from the dock and goes around the outside of the room, mapping it carefully. It then fills in the gaps. As you'll see, this is going at 8 times the speed, and then it'll move on to the next room and do exactly the same. You don't have to do anything. There's 4 settings you can have on the vacuum cleaner set from the app. Quiet, balanced, turbo and maximum. There's also a carpet setting so that when it goes over that carpet it's making a much stronger noise for picking up a bit more dust. So this rug is just under 1 centimetre high, and you'll see there's absolutely no problem with the vacuum going up and down this, and I'm just going to slow this down so you can see it as it goes up and down. No problems. As you'll see, it navigates perfectly around the furniture and rarely gets stuck. It goes easily around the skirting boards and then manoeuvres on to the next room, as you can see here. So let's have a look at what it picked out. As you can see, there's quite a bit of dust there and the dreaded pet fur. I'm just going to show you, and then we're going to put some of this down again. Now we're going to do a further test on a white carpet. Don't mention it to the missus. A lot of people you'll see will test things on floors and it's quite easy to pick up. Putting this now on a white carpet is much tougher. Pet fur and carpets, not a good combination. Let's see how it does. This was a pretty tough test, but it did reasonably well. Not perfectly, but we only went over that twice. Let's have a look what it picked up. Pretty good. Pretty good for going over once or twice. The excellent Xiaomi app allows you to see what area it's covered, how much battery it used. If you look carefully, you can see those circles there. That's where it's gone around table legs. This also gives you a lot more control over the vacuum in terms of various different settings, silent mode, turbo mode. It also gives you the ability to zone particular areas of your house that need cleaning. There is also a mopping feature on the vacuum cleaner. We've got a pad here which is washable, sticks with Velcro on here. We then fill this with water in the container. It then fits on to the front of the cleaner and we'll do the mopping. I've got to say I haven't found this that successful. Xiaomi are constantly updating software and we may see some improvements in this, but right now I wouldn't buy this purely for the mopping. A couple of quick questions you might have is, firstly, is the dustbin going to have enough room to fit all the dust from my house? Two ways to approach it is, firstly, clean more frequently. So if you clean once a week at the moment, just set this for 2 or 3 times a week. Second way around it is to zone the house in 2 different zones on the app and have one day to clean one part of the house and another day to clean another part of the house. Another question you might have is, if I've got an elderly relative or someone who's not necessarily that tech savvy, can I give it to them? You do need a Wi-Fi, and initially you do need a smartphone to set this up. But once you've set it up, you can quite easily leave it with someone. It's got a button to get it started, a button to send it back to the home zone if need be, and a button to do a zoned cleanup. The other really important question is, how is it going to react with your pets? Well, this could vary highly. If we have a look at Sam here, as long as he's got a ball to play with, he really doesn't care. So there we go. It's up to you to find that out.
Good boy.
So if you like this review, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get some more reviews done on useful household technology. Thank you for watching.